Hello everyone, today the weather is gloomy, the sky is covered with dark clouds. Sad and bored, so Phuong took out some things to make a video for everyone to watch. The dish Phuong made today is grilled octopus with satay, in Vietnamese style. This is a dish that Phuong is very addicted to, everyone. It's delicious. The size of this octopus is not very big, but Phuong likes this small type. Phuong picked up the chopsticks to show everyone. As you can see, it's quite modest in size. Okay, Phuong, let's do it. First, Phuong poured all this octopus into a bowl. Hey, this is too big. Mwahaha. Phuong will pour the chili satay jar in here. This chili satay jar already has some spices, so Phuong won't marinate anything else. Phuong mixed everything in here. Now Phuong will let the octopus marinate for 10 minutes, then grill it to make it more delicious. Here, Phuong has prepared a plate of salt mixed with spicy chili, then squeeze lemon juice into it. Phuong loves chili, so any dish must have a lot of chili to stimulate the taste buds. Okay. Let's start putting the grill on the stove, everyone. The grill here must be a charcoal stove for the dish to be fragrant. The octopus has marinated. Phuong will grill it on a charcoal stove. This octopus is cooked, put it on a plate and prepare to eat. Use your hands to pick it up, it's delicious, everyone. Here, baby, try it first. I invite everyone to eat. Oh. It's delicious. The meat is very sweet. It's raining so hard that the sound is a bit loud. I hope everyone understands. It's cold and windy, eating grilled food like this is wonderful. It's so strange these days, Phuong makes videos but it rains every day. Never mind. Whether it's sunny or rainy, my heart is still warm because there's delicious food. Ha ha ha. This is okra, everyone. This fruit must be grilled until it's still hard and crispy. When you bite it, it's crispy and delicious. Oh my god, I was so busy talking that I burned it. Delicious, so delicious. For dishes made from octopus, it must be grilled until it's fully cooked, otherwise it's easy to get a stomachache. And a stomachache is definitely very uncomfortable. I admit that dipping it in salt and chili is delicious, sweet and tingling on the tip of the tongue. Ha ha ha. Phuong thanks everyone for watching the video. Finally, Phuong would like to wish everyone a very happy working day. Goodbye and see you again.